We're creating a new kind of neighborhood in the nation's capital, transforming an aging downtown office enclave into a mixed-use connected community. This is the Southwest Ecodistrict. The Southwest Ecodistrict is located in downtown Washington, D.C., south of the National Mall and north of the Potomac River. Built as an urban renewal project, it's largely disconnected from the surrounding city, with superblock development, a tangle of infrastructure, and a desolate public realm. The National Capital Planning Commission collaborated with stakeholders over 3 years to craft the bold, transformational strategies outlined in the 2013 Ecodistrict Plan. This was the first step in an ongoing initiative and partnership.
The idea of an eco-district is that we can achieve more in terms of sustainability, planning and implementing at a neighborhood or a precinct scale than we can by looking at each individual building.
It is primarily a federal precinct, which we have the opportunity to transform into an accessible, vibrant, amenity-filled neighborhood. DSA really sees this as an opportunity to not only modernize our office space, but also to provide great energy savings and cost savings in the process.
Federal agencies will not only continue to call the area home, but can accommodate more workers in a neighborhood offering more amenities and activities. We're creating opportunities for parks and public spaces, as well as locations for new museums and commemorative sites. 10th Street will become an urban promenade connecting the National Mall to Banneker Park and to the waterfront.
One of the short-term implementation plans for the Southwest Ecodistrict planning is to make a physical pedestrian connection from the waterfront up 10th Street to the National Mall.
Plans for better pedestrian connections at Banneker Park are already in progress.
This area really has a lot of points of interest within a very close proximity, but very limited ways to get between them right now. I think that we share a common vision of creating a viable transportation network for everyone that would accommodate cyclists, would accommodate transit users, would accommodate pedestrians, and it would accommodate motorists.
By more efficiently using the existing land and buildings in the Southwest Ecodistrict, we can create new opportunities for cultural attractions, as well as places to live and work.
Where we're standing right now, between the Smithsonian institutions and the Southwest waterfront, there will be easily 20 million people a year visiting where we're standing on an annual basis. We're in the middle of a significant federal campus, an extraordinary opportunity for private business owners and then those people that run the federal agencies to come together with a whole other set of standards about how well buildings perform, the opportunity for us to be thinking about new strategies and new ways around sustainability.
That's the underlying idea behind an eco-district. We've identified a combination of district and building scale strategies, creating a high-performance environmental showcase. To NCPC, this project represents not only a commitment to sustainability, but investment in the nation's capital. For more information, visit us on the Southwest Ecodistrict website.